Go eat something?
No.
Well, now that we're in kitchens, it's making me more hungry.
Okay, cook something.
We have nothing in our fridge. It's empty.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
So hold on tight to me. Love like we never grew up and live like you just get one tonight. We're kings and queens. One blink and it's over. Wake up and we're older tonight. We're kings and queens. Stop, take a breath. Close your eyes. Remember this. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, oh, oh. It's beautiful. Love like we never grew up and live like you just get one tonight. We're kings and queens. One blink and it's over. Wake up and we're older tonight. We're kings and queens.
Hello.
Hey. We are back at IKEA for trip number 2.
Yeah. To see if we could make a kitchen that actually works for us.
Yes. As well as an entertainment center for the living room.
Yeah.
Although I'm gonna miss Old Brown. Old Brown's been so good to us.
We forgot to say hi, Jess family.
Oh, hey Jazz family. I know, I'm talking to you and I didn't even say hi to you. Sorry guys. Hey Jazz family, how's everybody?
As we're walking.
Yeah, so
We're getting there.
do we want to show them what this place looks like? Because it
Sure.
reminds me of an airport.
I know.
So see, here's the airport type place. See the buildings around it?
Yeah. It's huge. It's bigger than...
It is.
Alright. As we get in.
There's an interesting box that says flying.
Alright. We're gonna go in.
Yes.
And then we'll see you there.
We'll see you soon.
Johnny
Hello.
is thinking this is our new kitchen.
Well, 3:20. We have like 40 minutes.
Well, we would have been going there anyway, so it doesn't really matter.
Going where?
Right there. There's the kitchen planning right behind you.
Where?
You didn't see.
Can we go eat something?
No.
Well, now that we're in kitchens, it's making me more hungry.
Okay, cook something.
We have nothing in our fridge. It's empty.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
There should have
This is basically our fridge. Look at it. See? Ian was right. This is our fridge, hon. Oh, actually, no. This is shorter than our fridge because I can't go like this.
Yeah.
So our fridge is just a little bit bigger than this. Rethink your bag habits.
I like this scrunchy thing. I want to get one. Really? It's only $2. Can we have one?
What, for cleaning dishes?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, if you want.
And I like this scrunchy thing.
Yeah.
Scrunchy, scrunchy, scrunchy.
Okay, I'll be back.
Where are you going?
Gotta get food.
Hey, I found the bag.
Bye. We had breakfast, which is good, but lunch,
Where are the flavors? Yes, Johnny, let's get this book to add to our new kitchen.
You keep picking up stuff that's making me more hungry. Come on.
No. Let me fork you.
Hey. That is an awesome spoon. That's a mighty spoon. Come on.
Let me mix something for you.
Listen, this is not Peter Pan, okay? We can't pretend that we're eating a bunch of food.
Oh, look. There's bay leaves. Let me feed you bay leaves.
Oh boy, yeah. Now my stomach will really be groaning. Come on. Is that okay? Or oh no.
I'm thinking about it. Let's look at other kitchens.
It's killing me.
Uh-huh. Let's go, Johnny. No, look at that.
These are nice. Which one do you like best? I like this one.
I was actually looking at this one too.
Yeah, I like that one.
Johnny's jingling. Okay, these are wood patterns.
Yeah, no wood.
I like this color. I just don't like the feel of it.
Yeah.
Not my kind of handles.
You can't handle these?
No, I can't handle those. Oh, look at these. I want like these. Shiny. Shiny.
Oh, for what? For their cabinets?
Yeah.
Yeah, those are nice.
I like the shiny feel. Shiny! Look. Oh. There it is. This is the one I want. Let's see. 600. It's nice. Right?
Mm-hmm.
Or you want more like individual ones that are like separate, each one? Or you like this?
I don't know, I like this.
Because you see they have like a separate one.
I like that one better.
You like that one better?
Yeah.
There's a frying pan. I think it's calling your name. Johnny!
I think I'm allowed to go there.
All right.
Hey.
Whack.
That's not very nice.
I like the microwave. I like that one better though.
Yeah.
One we just.
Yeah, my dad's got one like this. My mom's got one like this now.
I like the other one we just saw.
I want to get cooking away from here.
Okay, let me bowl you up.
Yeah. Alright.
Well, I'll go grab it. So what color are we choosing? White?
Yeah.
Choosing white? White and shiny?
Oh, for the kitchen? Yeah.
Oh, it's magnetic. I know. It's like on a hook. Don't need that one.
How do you unhook it?
I have no clue. Oh. tie that, Johnny. Unhook it.
You unhooked it? How did you do it? Oh, I see.
Hookity hook. Oh. Oh, I forgot they lock them in. That one isn't locked?
This one makes noises. Watch, ready? Listen.
Ah, that's cool. Ah, I was opening the wrong way. This one is about the same size as ours. The height.
Yeah.
This one.
I don't mind our fridge being higher though.
Yeah. This one's not bad. Sink.
Yeah. I definitely want us to get a bigger sink. Our sink's tiny. It's probably like this.
Mm. Oh no.
Yeah, we don't really need this.
Do you know what that is?
This is for like to wash dishes.
That's the drying rack.
Oh. Yeah, that's not really a good drawing rack.
I'll have more of that stuff downstairs in my inside. But I'm usually the only one that has plugged in ones that you can play with. There's a little bracket
Okay. I'll have to let you go because we have to eat so we can get back to the guy because he's finishing pricing the thing up for us.
Yeah.
Hello, Jazz family. For those that are gonna renovate something in their house or like do like, you know, a brand new kitchen, living room, bathroom, bedroom, whatever, if you find a place like maybe IKEA is all over the place, I'm not sure, but we have a place called IKEA in Connecticut, and we really liked it because they basically do a 3D model of everything that you want. They help you figure it out. You know, you hash it out, brainstorm right then and there, and there's no pressure. We didn't have to sign nothing. They even give us breakdown prices for every piece, so that way we can either go find it somewhere else, or we can choose their full design with the price that they put down. So it's really nice. So I'm glad that Angie convinced me to do it. It was very comfortable, and I enjoyed it. And now we have a really nice picture and video of just what it is that we want. And we're gonna
snag some food.
And she's snagging my food. So talk to you after these commercial food breaks.
Johnny is finding the entertainment center here.
Hey. Which I'm not sure which section this is, but we'll
He
find
already
it.
lost it.
We're going in the gray
He
brick
lost
road.
it, guys.
Well, we'll find it again. We're in the desk section right now. Desk and tables. Well, I still don't know this whole layout of this place because it's like a crazy labyrinth. But we will find it. And then when we find it, I'm going to show you guys which one it is that I'm choosing.
I think we went into the bed section. We went into the bed section.
I think we went the right way.
I have no idea.
Sorry, guys.
Did we go to the right?
Right, isn't it over here? Yeah, I think it's... I don't know.
I have no idea.
We'll have to ask an IKEA person.
Oh. There's the dressers. Yeah, we're probably going the right way. Maybe.
Maybe. Possibly.
I see the kids section. Ooh, I love that mirror. Love that mirror.
one?
Right there.
Oh, that one?
Yeah.
You like that one?
Uh-huh. As Johnny figures out how big it is.
35 inches. So 35 by...
$50.
35 by 50.
Uh-oh. Don't squish yourself.
Yeah, or scratch the mirror.
That will be worse. Cube.
Ready?
Yep. Ready? Find it.
Okay, we're back on the gray brick road.
We're back in the kids section, more like it.
We're gonna call it the silver brick road. Sounds better for songs.
You mean the heart destination?
Yeah. Instead of the yellow brick road, it's like gray, but that's what Big Steve called it. He called it the gray brick road, but
Too bad they don't have any punctures left.
oh yeah, I forgot to ask. But
I guess we could look down the stairs.
is there any in this section? No, right?
There isn't any more in this section. I should have grabbed it last time. Johnny, we just got out.
Huh? We just go to the circle?
Yeah.
So,
Let's go through the circle again.
yeah. But I didn't see it.
No. It's Johnny.
Hey. We're looking at our new entertainment center today. You looking for an entertainment center too? Yeah, we like this one. We like it because, well, we have like DVD players and video game systems. So it's really nice because you can put everything in here and you can see, so it's not like closed up.
Johnny is playing with the guy. The figure. Are you having fun? Are you gonna draw him, Leah?
Yeah. See, he's kind of like going, I'm not sure.
This is a cool side thing too. That one.
It is. Are you ready, hon?
Yep.
Pick up. So where?
Downstairs.
The kitchen. Wait, do we want to go back to the kitchen?
Yeah. Let's
To try to find the brush and the salt
Yeah.
shaker?
let's find it.
Follow me.
And you want me to follow you?
Okay, I think we'll continue going this way and it'll bring us back to the kitchen again.
Okie dokie.
Oh, wait, I think we're ready.
Yeah. Let's see.
You see the brush at all? No.
No, but I found this cool mincer thing. Mince.
That way you can make potions?
Not potions, but teas
Oh.
and sauces and. Look at this jar. So cute. I like this jar.
That's nice. Does that jar like you?
Don't know.
It has no mouth, so it can't speak.
I found it, Johnny.
You sure that's the one?
I found one. It's not from this kitchen that we found it, but that is it.
Okay. You took a picture?
I will in a sec. I need the other side, I think.
I wasn't sure which side.
Okay. What is this? A knife block. What?
Oh, probably you put your knife in it.
That is interesting. Instead of the thing?
Yeah, probably to like sharpen it.
No, that's a knife holder.
You sure?
Yeah, I
You
think.
sure it's not for sharpening?
No, doesn't look like. We could check it out, but I think.
I see what you're saying. Yeah, you stick them in. That's cool.
Yeah, it's just stick them in. I was right. Sorry, Johnny. I know, I love those chairs too.
Yeah, these are nice.
Twirly whirly. And oh. Look, Johnny, you want a lemon? You want a lemon?
Hey. I don't want...
They don't want you to take a lemon. Oh, they have rosemary.
Lemon me have it. They won't let them. They're not letting.
No, it won't lemon you
They're
have
not
it.
lemon me have it.
Oh, here's the jar.
Nice.
I'm gonna. Should I get one or two?
That's up to you.
I think I'm gonna get one more.
I'm still looking for that brush
What?
that you like.
That cookie jar?
No.
I think we have enough cookies to fill a jar. Let's see. Oh, this is cute. It's a little.
Oh, my mom used to have this.
What?
You put napkins up on it.
Oh, really?
Yeah, and it holds the napkins down.
What?
Yeah. So you stack up napkins and you put this on it.
Oh, that's interesting. Look, it's a
Yeah.
baby bib. That's very cute.
You need the little brush thing. I don't see it yet.
I'm looking. This was an interesting one, but it won't work for ours.
Yeah.
I like the one that they designed for us more.
I'd like this for like your parents' new place or something.
Okay, so this oven is 700, right?
Mm-hmm.
The one we were looking at. It's nice. Oh, look at the buttons, Johnny. Look at the buttons.
Nice.
There's buttons.
I like buttons.
Let's see if we could find that brush.
You need to find the little brush.
There's a kickstand. Why? I love those doors. Maybe next place. I don't think it's here. Ooh, I like this leaf.
Oh, there's these things.
Yeah. You see, it's the same one.
So that means we're close. So that means that the brush is over here. Because I think we saw the brush first.
Yeah. We're playing maracas now. And Johnny eats the avocado. I think we lost it.
You want me to ask, see if they know?
Let's just go downstairs.
Okay.
I think that's where we have to go to find all this stuff. Let's go downstairs. Do you remember where's the elevator?
Well, it's this way. Because it's over by the food section.
Yeah, that is true. Roundy, roundy, here we come. In a circle once again. Oh, this is the kitchen I liked last time. But yeah, you're right, it wouldn't fit. You're right. You were right, I was wrong.
No, but I won't say that to you because Because to me, it's not about you being wrong or right. It's about just us being able to do what we want.
Yeah.
I love this thing.
You like the hand?
Yeah.
Let me give you a hand. Smack. Let me eat you.
Hey. Come here. Come here.
What's on there?
Stay. Good hand.
Oh, are these jars bigger than those? I kind of like these jars. That's what Noel and Darren needs. Okay. Now I'll have to find.
That's the elevator. The elevator.
That's a nice little desk. It's called Mickey. I'm here. What? What did you find? Oh, you found a hat?
I can't take it off because
Yes, it's on purpose that you wouldn't. Take it off. Let's go.
it's a softness.
Okay, now welcome back. We're downstairs.
Don't mind me.
Journey likes the green rug.
Well, I don't necessarily like the green, but I
You
like
just
the
like the
softness.
color. There's a blue one.
Is it softnessy?
I'm not sure.
No, it's not soft. Wait, what about this one? Is that one soft, do you think? Or do you think that one's just design?
Which one?
The dark blue that's hanging?
I don't know. Go try it.
Just the design.
Just the design. As I sit here on the rug. I sit on this rug, darling.
You like that rug?
Really, Johnny? Really? You wanna show Just Kelly what rug I'm sitting on?
Look at that.
Hi. What's up?
Good night. Yeah. Okay, Jazz family, it's time to party. Oh, okay.
I found a peacock.
We found a peacock. Okay, now is this where we go?
I guess so.
That's cool.
Now I'm lost.
Well, now we're in the warehouse part.
Yeah, that's where I guess we look for that part. Which I hope it doesn't die because we need to still get the part thing.
Maybe we'll just go to the hay section and ask.
Where do we get it?
Yeah, where do we get our entertainment?
Yeah.
Because we found every other piece that we need except for that, right?
Yeah.
Oh, here's the final product thing. But I'd rather go to it first.
Right there is the person. Alright, so next time we could start grabbing some items.
Mm-hmm.